delincuencia, pa. Roleteando por mi barrio, escuchando los corridos, fumándome un gallito paranoia bien prendido, que suene toda la noche pa' que retumbe el sonido.
Can I make those? Right now, I removed the center console from my truck. I'll put the one that I have on in there. It's for 2.8, it's supposed to be for a 2015 GMC, but the caddy, the Lord is running. I'm gonna take it for a little spin, make sure, well, hopefully the brakes work. Back up, guys. Almost. We say brakes. Or bleed the brakes, that's it. So if the lines are clogged.
Parece que te vi bailando un día, me parece que te vi en Zaramulla, en la plaza de la tierra mía, bailando cumbia, bailando cumbia. Recuerdo aquella linda melodía y el ritmo que llevaba tu cintura. Recuerdo que bailando me decía, qué sabrosura, qué sabrosura. Que yo te vi, ay, 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 que no pienso en otra cosa, ay, 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 por estar pensando en ti, por estar pensando en ti, yo no pienso en otra cosa. Contorsiones de tu cuerpo, sentí temblar en mi alma mariposa, y con la emoción en el momento salí gritando cosas sabrosas. Ay, 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 mejoró morena hermosa. Desde que yo te vi.
¿Qué onda, mi bros? ¿Qué andamos? I'm in my truck. It's a little bit messy, don't mind it, but right now, I recorded the other day, just me saying I installed this, but I'm gonna get a little bit more into depth about it. But I got 2 Sylvesters, 8-inch Sylvesters. Wait, no, I got 4. Sorry, I got 4. Got one on each door, and got one on each side of the center console. For my voice amp, I have the AAP 400.4D. It's not held down, but it's right there. We got 212s for kickers and a power bass amp. That's all really, is really all I have. I don't have anything crazy, no tweeter, but I'm gonna give you guys a little, where my keys at? Shit. They're still on the door. Oh shit. Try to give you guys a little demo real quick before my camera dies. Right there.
We choose to run away. Do we separate? Oh, don't wanna give it, so we both gave up. Can't take it back. Climax, falling somehow. Feet off the ground. Love is the cloud that keeps raining down. Where are you now? When I need you around, I'm on my knees, but it seems we're nowhere fast. We've reached the climax. We're together, now we're undone. Won't commit, so we choose to run away. Do we separate? Oh, don't wanna give it, so we both gave up. Can't take it back. Climax, I gave my best, it wasn't enough. You get upset, we argue too much. We made a mess of what used to be love. So why do I care? I care at all. At all. At all. At all. Going nowhere fast. We've reached our climax. Together now we're undone. Won't commit, so we choose to run away. Do we separate? Oh, don't wanna give it, so we both gave up. Can't take it back. Climax. You say it's better if we love each other separately. I just need you one more time. I can't get what we had on my mind. Where are you now? When I need you around. On my knees, but it seems we're going fast. We've reached our climax. We're together, now we're undone. Won't commit, so we choose to run away. Do we separate? Oh, so we both gave up. Can't take it back.